Hello, my friends. It is time for fall at the Stamps of Life. Are you ready? Let's go. Okay, the first thing we are offering now is called Scarecrowjack2stamp. And look at how cute he is. He's a jack-o'-lantern scarecrow. I had so much fun with him. And it says, sending straw hugs your way. May your fields be full of laughter and joy. Fall greetings. Happy fall. Hey there, get it, H-A-Y. And wishing you a strawtacular day. And look how cute he is. Now, of course, there is a die that matches with the inside die and the outside die. Thank you very much, because you know I love that. So that's one item we're releasing. Then, Halloween time, we have a witch's hat. Fold it. Now, this witch's hat is so fun. It fits in an A2 size envelope, but I want you to see, I'm going to turn it over so you can see the witch's hat. I also included a die for the band, so it's easier to put together, and the little buckle. And this little piece right here is for the spider that you want to put maybe hanging down the hat. I have samples to show you what I'm talking about. I have lots of spiders with eyes, without eyes, and some shadows. But wait, there's more. I also released a ghost fold it. I love this little guy. He's A2 in size, and the cool thing about this guy is you can do lots of different options for the faces. So I know it looks funny here, but when you see my samples, it'll make more sense. There's a spot for his faces. So you have lots of options. You can do a face, you can do a smiley face, you can do fun different eyes, you can do a smiley face, you can do eyes that are closed, eyes that are open, lots of options. And perfect for shaker cards because there are 3 die blades here. So you can do lots of shakers with this guy. And I have fun samples. Then we're releasing for the first time at Stamps of Life, photopolymer clay. Now, here's the deal, you guys. You know I'm always as honest as possible as I can ever be. I designed all of these. These mixes were made by me. I literally hand-picked what was going to go in each single jar, right? Love them. I love them all. So we had them put together. We purchased them. We had them shipped to our warehouse in Utah. And then I had Dina help me try to figure out how much we should charge for these. And just to give you an idea, let's do this really quick because this is I need you to see this, and this is the truth. This is just all I can do, right? Watch this. It has this little seal on it. Watch this. We are going to measure how much is in this jar. Now, just to give you an idea, our old embellishment bottles are this size. This is probably at least double in size and thickness because the bottom, hang on, look how thick, look how big it is. It's a lot bigger of a bottle, right? So let's measure how much is in here. And I've already done this, but here we go. So, and yours might settle as it ships, okay? Because sometimes it can kind of settle, but I want to show you something. So here we go. We have, oh, come on. We have 1 tablespoon there. Whoa, Nelly. 2 tablespoons there. 3, a little bit more. 3 tablespoons there. 4 tablespoons there. And pretty much 5 tablespoons. 5 tablespoons. When we went to price this, most companies sell 1 tablespoon or half a tablespoon, but 1 tablespoon. Because in all honesty, for 1 shaker, you probably only need maybe half a tablespoon, right? So you're going to be making lots of shakers, lots of things. Now, I'm going to, for fun, put these back in here, and I want you to see what happens. So let's see if I can do this in a safe way. Hang on. This is getting a little crazy. Watch this. Okay, so we're going to pour this back in here, and I want you to see this. So I'm going to pour this back in there, and look, it doesn't all fit, okay? So the factory shook it down and poured more in there. And doesn't all still fit, shake it down a little bit more, and then pour it in there. They stuffed these bottles, okay? They shook it at least twice to make sure they could get as much in there as they could. 5 tablespoons, 5, okay? So I need you to understand the value you are getting on these. A company will sell you 1 tablespoon for how much? We won't even talk about it. Won't even talk about it. But we're estimating this value as a $100 value if you were to buy this separately. You can't make this stuff up. Moving on. Oh, and what do you get? So you get the cloud. This one comes with candy corns, it comes with clouds, and it comes with jack-o'-lantern faces and the fun little sprinkles. What's in this one? This one is the fall one, and it comes with sprinkles and white leaves and yellow leaves and dark brown leaves, light brown leaves, red leaves. Look at how fun that is. Love it, okay? That's the other one. And then let's see what else we have here. Oh, I better put that lid on. You don't want to spill that. These are going to look so cute on your shelf, you guys. I'm telling you. Oh, I fell in love. I wanted these bigger jars because they're just so awesome. This is a Christmas one. This one has candy canes, perfect for our Folded Club members. It has little candy pieces. It has red and white stars, and it has a whole bunch. That's a different one. Whole bunch of different sprinkles. Fun, 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 right? Okay, let's look at the next one. The next one, 5 tablespoons in each one, you guys. 5. You saw me can measure it. You saw me do it. Okay, here's the next one. This one has little Christmas trees. It has Santa heads. It has lots of, it has little circles, and it has a lot of sprinkles in this one. Christmas trees and Santa heads. Okay, is the focus on that one. And then, last but not least, we have a winter one. And I can't wait to show you guys all my samples. The clay is brand new. My design team just got them, so they're not part of the samples, but I have tons of samples. Then in this one, we have the winter one. We have little rhinestones. We have little big snowflakes, little snowflakes. We have little light blue snowflakes, dark blue. Look at how pretty this is. Oh my goodness gracious, you guys. You are gonna be in love, okay? So that is the photopolymer clay pieces. And to be honest with you, I need a set. I need one set just for decoration because I can't use it I have to have 2. Okay, anyway, moving on. Moving on. Let's look at our samples. First, Michelle made this adorable garland out of our wool felt. Isn't that cute? Can't see there you go. There you can see the hat. Look at that cute little ghost with those big old noses. Isn't that adorable? I love it. I can't wait to hang it for the babies. Then we have a cute little witch on using our box it. Look how cute that is. I love that with the cute little pink spiders on there. It's the only kind of spider that's good is a pink one, right? Then we have another little treat box. Happy Halloween. Look how fun that is. So gorgeous. I love it. Then let's look at all our card samples. Oh my goodness. So remember when I was talking about the little spider could hang using that paper? So here's one using that paper, just right there. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I love those little stars and that moon on there. Open that up. Happy Halloween. So cute. Using the little cauldron from the Leprechaun set, by the way. Here's a cute one, spooky, using our web stamp. I love that. Isn't that fun? Here's one with spiders hanging, some from the strip that I give you and one from twine. Look how cute that is. Oh, and I love those little stars on there. I love it. Spooky greetings. This is also using the Starburst background dies. The little pieces. Isn't that cute? Then we have one here, just a little bit more of a plain one if you want. Options are yours. Let's look at our ghost. Are you ready? Lots of face options. So I want to show you some of these because there's lots of face options here. Here you can put her or him on an A2 size card base. Here's a fun pink one because you always have pink, right? Look at all these different options on the faces, you guys. Here's another cute one. Look at this. So cute. And I love how the bottom of the ghost kind of like lays on the ground. Isn't that fun? I love it. Then you could also do them together if you wanted. Look at how cute that is. Wow, that's a big envelope, but it's worth it, right? And then, you guys, look how fun this one is. Look at that mouth. Wah! I love it. I love it. Using our sign that literally flew out the door last month. It's back in stock, but look at that. Gorgeous. Love it. Boo, spooky greetings. Boo, love it. Now, let's look at our Scarecrow Jack. You guys, I love him. He is so dang cute. Here he is in our box it die. Look at that. Pops right open. There's our scarecrow. May your fields be full of laughter and joy. Isn't that awesome? I love that. That's also using the leaves for fall and the tailgate to stamp and the create a scene and the floral swish dies card. Oh, look how cute this one is. Oh my goodness, so adorable, so fun. Ooh, look how, oh wow, this one's colorful. I love this. On the 5x7, using, again, that sign die. You guys, I don't think you realize how often you're going to use that sign die. It's kind of like the gate slimline fold it. Use it all the time, right? I love that. So it says, may your fields be full of laughter and joy. Isn't that awesome? Love it. And here's another cute one with a plaid background stencil and the wagon stamps and dies. I love it. So fun. Club members, I know you know what I'm going to say next, right? You get a club discount, 15 to 20% off my entire website. Not one exclusion. That means die cut machines. That means totally Tiffany items. That means clay pieces. That means stamps, dies, adhesives, cardstock, pattern paper. You name it. If it's on my website, you're getting 15 to 20% off every single day that you're a club member. Why? Because it's cool, right? Now, if you're not a club member, guess what, my friends? You can be a club member for as little as $13.99 a month, and that includes a stamp set sent to you automatically each month. So every month, your credit card bill would say $13.99, tax if necessary. If you're in Canada, 50 cents more for shipping. Big deal, 50 cents, wow. You would get a stamp set sent to you automatically each month for that price. You would also get 15% off my website. You would also earn club points on every purchase and every club shipment that's sent to you. And you earn freebies every couple months. And if you stay in a full year on your anniversary month, you get a $15 gift certificate to my website. It's literally, I'm paying you to be my friend. I really am. I really am. Because I want more friends. Thank you so much. If I went too fast on any of these, or if you need more information, go to our website, thestampsoflife.com, click on gallery, and all of these ideas and more are on there. Thanks so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye. Now, make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube because you know what? You're going to love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.